Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore how blockchain works. Don't worry, I'll keep it super simple and easy to understand. Let's jump right in. First, let's recap what blockchain is. Remember, it's like a digital notebook made up of many pages called blocks. Each block holds information, Now, let's talk about some key concepts that make blockchain special. 1. Decentralization. Normally, we trust banks or companies to keep our information safe. But with blockchain, there's no central boss. Instead, lots of computers around the world keep copies of the same information. This is called decentralization. Because there are so many copies, it's really hard for anyone to change the information without everyone else knowing. 2. Transparency. Next up is transparency. In blockchain, everyone can see the same information. This means that if someone makes a change, everyone can check it. It's like having a public notebook where everyone can read what's written. This helps build trust. If everyone can see the records, it's much harder to cheat or lie. 3. Security. Now, let's talk about security. Each block in the chain has a special code called a hash. This code is unique and acts like a fingerprint for the block. If someone tries to change even a tiny part of the block, the hash will change too. This means that if someone tries to mess with the information, it becomes obvious. This keeps the data safe and secure. 4. Consensus mechanism. Another important concept is the consensus mechanism. This is how everyone agrees on what's in the blockchain. Think of it like a group vote. Before adding a new block, most computers need to agree that it's correct. There are different ways to do this, like proof of work or proof of stake, but we'll save those for another video. 5. Smart contracts. Lastly, let's talk about smart contracts. These are like digital agreements that automatically run when certain conditions are met. For example, if you pay someone, the smart contract can automatically send them the product. This makes processes faster and removes the need for middlemen. So, to sum it all up, blockchain is decentralized, transparent, secure, and has smart contracts. It's changing how we think about trust and transactions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy to understand tech content. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments what you want to learn about next.